Alright, so I have to cover my user because I don't really want anybody having my username. But today we're just going to be playing some Sideforks 1v1s. So let's go. I'm going to be playing with my friends. So. But my edits feel a little off for some reason. Bro, how did I miss the headshot? That might actually slow. Alright, we're going to hit a peanut butter here. Bro, I missed it. Oh my god, I did not think I was hitting that. Pre-fire? Oh my god! Pre-fire was nasty, bro. Pre-fire was nasty. Bro, yeah, look at my edits. They're so off. Like, I edit way faster than that. Alright, let me stop boxing them. These are not box fights. Oh my goodness, I had to save myself from falling. Ooh, that would have been clean. Bro, I thought I had the pre-fire. Bro, I phased through the cone, bro. I literally phased through the cone. Bro, I low-key just lagged. Just lagged so hard. Okay. Alright, I'm trying to edit good. Like, I'm trying to move. I'm trying to move for real. By the way, guys, because it's spectating, I don't know how to record on Xbox, so... Because, like, I'm on my alts account on my phone, so I just joined this game with my friend, and I just put it on spectate mode. And it's recording this, so... That's fine, because I don't know how to record on Xbox. Like, I know how to record, just I don't know how to get it to my account to post it on YouTube. So, like, if you can help with that, post in the comments, please. But what am I doing? I'm actually lost. Oh my god, I swear that was doing. Bro, I just lag so hard. Oh my god, that scared me. Oh my god, he was AFK. I was like, if he was not AFK, I was about to get 200. Oh yeah, triple edit. That triple edit was nice. I'm cooking. Bro. I'm so tired, bro. Oh, this map is so tough, bro. Sideforks made a good map. I'm trying to hit a pre-fire. 200. Oh my gosh, that was nasty. What did we doing? Oh yeah, I'm moving. I'm moving. I was literally moving. My edits are slower. Why are my edits so slow? I swear everything. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Purple. Where is he at? Oh my god. Bro, how did he hit that? There's no way he hit that. Bro, I did not hit it. Bro, where is he? Bro, there's no way. There's no way he hit that peanut butter edit pre-fire. Bro, how? Wait, if I don't win this game, I might not win this. I'm like 18 HP. $60? I hit him 60? 60. Oh my god, I cracked his shield. Can we win this? Bro, bro. Bro, I could have won that. I could have won that for real. Dude, my edits are so slow. Yeah, my edits are very slow now. Bro, what? My bad, guys. I'm just quiet. I'm trying to lock in. Oh my goodness. That free buff was nasty, bro. Bro, I just lagged. No, I should have shot, bro. I should have shot. Oh my goodness. Bro, my eyes hurt so bad, bro. Dude, I'm about to go for a clip. Oh yeah. Alright, I'm like 80. I'm about to clip this dude. Watch me get 200 pump. Yeah, okay. What shotgun is he using? What's this dude's shotgun? But where'd he go? Oh yeah, I'm moving. Oh yeah, I'm moving. Oh my. I'm about to beat him. Bro, why is this dude standing still? Easy kill. $60. Clip him, maybe? Oh my goodness. I was about to clip him if he went under that stair thingy in that floor. I was about to edit down that 200. Bro, this dude is running. Bro, what is this dude doing? Oh yeah, beamed. 60. Got that wall. About to edit up. I got the code. Oh my god, I'm on HP. He's cracked though. He's literally one hit. I'm one hit too. Should I go for the Manga Classic or not? No, I'm just gonna pick it up. Take that. Box up. I should have edited up. I'm going for a full piece. I'm about to go for a full piece. Bro, this dude just sold my clip, bro. Jordan, bro, Jordan is so different. Bro, how did I miss that? Where'd this dude go? Oh, he's above me. I forgot there's two people. So one of the... Oh yeah, one was below me and one was over me. Bro, I'm getting beamed! I got hit 230. Reload. Missed again. I reload. Nobody. I'm about to go up. Bro, how did I miss that hit? Alright, I'm up. Go that. Jump. Where's he at? Bro. Where'd he go? Bro, where'd this dude go? Bro, where did this bro go? Bro, how did I just miss that edit? Bro, where did this dude go? Okay, he's ready. Oh my god, cracked? How did I die? And I lagged when they killed me there. Okay, cracked. I hit him. I cracked him. He's one hit. Bro, how did I miss that? I missed the full box. Cracked? Oh, did he heal or something? Dude, I'm getting so funny. Oh, I gotta kill him, bro. Bro, I died. Get it up. Nice. Should I go for a full box? Oh my goodness, he wasn't right there. Bro, where'd he go? Oh my god, he's right there. Full box? Easy full box. Bro, I cannot edit these. Oh my god, he's trying to break out. No, he broke out. Bro, how did I miss it? Oh yeah, he's full box. Should I go for a full piece? Oh yeah. Oh my goodness, he was right there. I'm about to edit up. Bro, how did I miss that? That reset edit. Alright, oh my goodness. Cracked. He should be one shot. Alright. He's one shot. 37. Ooh. That was nice, bro. That's a nice shot. Alright, where'd he get? Alright, I'm editing that. Dude, how did I miss that first edit? Bro, where'd he go? Bro, I just got burned down, bro. Oh my god, I got focused. Bro, nice, Jordan. Let's go, Jordan, nice. Bro, my friend, he's cracked. Oh my goodness, that's pretty good. Where's nasty? Wait, where did he go? Full box? I cannot hit a peanut butter. I don't know that. Cracked. I almost hit that side jump. Doubling up. Spraying in. Reload. Dead. Bro, my keyboard feels so weird right now. I don't know why. Bro, my fingers hurt so bad. I'm gonna be so for real. Bro, I missed. Bro, wait. Oh my god, and I'm surprised like that. What, a full piece? No! I ruined the clip. No, do not sell. Please don't sell this. Reset the wall. Reset the chair. Dead. Oh my goodness. That's pretty clean. Oh my goodness. Bro, how did I mess up that edits? Bro, what am I doing? Side jump? Nope. Oh my goodness, how do you hit that? Alright, but anyways, nice Jordan. Anyways, that'll be it for the video. I'll see you in the next one. So, peace.